Hey there guys, I'm Drew and welcome back to Drew's house. So I'm just going to be showing you how to find which way the ceiling joists run and where they are in the ceiling, because I've got a situation here where this is a flat roof on top of this, so I can't access the top because it's got a flat roof already on it, and I need to know which way the ceiling joists run because we've got to do some work on the flat roof. If you click up here, you can watch me do that work. Okay, so this is a good little way of finding where the joists are. Now, what you can do, just take a magnet, and what we're looking for is where the plasterboard is fixed to the joist. So wherever that is, this magnet's going to stick to it. So if we find where they are, there's one there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to stick a bit of blue tack right there where that one is. Now they're always going to run either that way or that way. They're never going to run diagonally. So we know that we can go either way from that, 90 degrees either way. And we're going to find a fixing somewhere. So once we've found a fixing, we'll be able to see where those timbers are. So what we do is you keep running the magnet along. This isn't the best magnet, it's a bit small, but it'll work. Okay, so there's our next one. We've got 5 positions there where there's screws. Now I can tell just by looking at those that there's not going to be joists running this way because they wouldn't be this close together, but they could be. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and find, we're going to come away from those points now and try and find the next fixing. Okay guys, so what you can see is we've actually got 2 rows now of fixing points. Hopefully you can see those dobs of blue tack on there, and you can tell that the joists are running that way, and that's how far apart the joists are, because that's what they're fixed to. That's what we picked up on with the magnet, is the nails. Now you really need to get as strong a magnet as you can, because there might be a bit of thickness there of whatever finish there is. In this particular case it's Artex. Could be plaster, could be anything, but in this case it's Artex, and if there's a bit of thickness you need a powerful magnet so you can pick up the nail behind that thickness of Artex or plaster or whatever. So make sure you get a good strong magnet, and now that we've found those, we can see, we know which way the joists are running, we know where they are, and we can carry on across the whole ceiling if we want and find those. And hopefully that's helped you to find your joists in your house to get your project done. So if you found this video helpful guys, please give me a like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon, and please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll try and answer any questions that you have. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.